my name is Jia Guo, and I originally come from Beijing. After finish bachelor degree in Hong Kong, I come directly here to study in the MSc in Logistics and Supply Chain Management. And also during that undergraduate program, I was always very interested in the practices of moving goods around the world and also the interorganizational cooperations. First of all, I look for business schools in English-speaking countries because English is the main language in the business world. And secondly, I was looking for a different environment than the places I was born and lived before. And that naturally makes Cranfield as one of my choices because of its high reputation in that field. And in my research for graduate programs, Cranfield appears on all the lists I found, both from English and Chinese sources. So that convinced me that an MSc from Cranfield would certainly give me a good start. The unique experience in Cranfield can be described by two words: rigorous and supportive. During my search for the graduate program, the phrase rigorous course design and the long list of modules on Cranfield's website have caught my eyes. I'm very satisfied with the experience here because the course design doesn't only keeps me busy, but also always keep me motivated and fulfilled. And the second unique characters of Cranfield is its supportiveness. During my very first interaction with the school, Cranfield impressed me a lot because it is the only school that replies my email in a few hours or even minutes. And immediately after arriving here, I was assigned study tutor and a learning group. And the academic reviews with the tutor and group learning events were arranged throughout the semesters. And also the supportive environment is togetherly contributed by the faculties and staff and all the students. The best reward for the 11th month in Cranfield is the results and all my works in the modules as well as the thesis. After putting all those efforts and times in these courseworks, they themselves is a very rewarding work for me. I think even after graduating here, I will keep all those assessments and papers and review them once a while. The very precious skill I've obtained from this program is the interpersonal skills. This is the first time I've been working with a group of really international students. My advice for students who are thinking about applying from overseas is that there is nothing you need to worry about because the environment here is again very supportive to international students. The majority of the students here are from international backgrounds, so it's a very warm atmosphere here. And especially for Chinese students, I want to say that there are a lot of good Chinese food they can find on campus.